Hi, this is Handy TF. This video is showing how to replace this shutoff valve under 5 minutes. Before we start, first, turn off the main water supply. This shutoff valve has compression fittings. You would normally cut the old valve off, but as you can see there is no room here to cut it. Actually, we can just reuse the nut and sleeve, and it is a lot easier and quicker. Hi, please hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. This will encourage me to make more free videos to help more people. Hand tighten the compression nut until it is snug. Then hold the valve body with one adjustable wrench, and tighten the compression nut with a second adjustable wrench until they are really tight. Turn on the main water supply, and check for leaks at the shutoff valve. That is it is done under 5 minutes. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for your time, Handy TF.